Hey everyone, what is up? Today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Urban Decay Naked Cherry collection. I'm a little bit behind. I received this a while ago, but I needed to get through on my Halloween looks. Anyway, I'm coming at you with nothing on here and a little tinted lip balm. So I just want to jump right in. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below, and let's get... I was gonna think of a pun for this, but no. I received this beautiful little package from Urban Decay, and we have the palette, the 3 lipsticks, and then what I believe is, what is this? An eye pencil and 2 eye pencils. Palette packaging looks pretty much like all of the other palette packaging. It's very indicative of what is going to be inside. And what is inside is the beautiful, high quality Urban Decay packaging that you would expect from any palette. Has cute little cherries, and I think these are like reflecting the actual shade that is inside, which is a nice little detail. Inside the palette, you do get a mirror, and it's just like any other Urban Decay palette, you know, gorgeous, 12 shades. Does come with a dual-ended brush. The shades are a mix of shimmers and mattes from what I can see. So let's go ahead and swatch them. Hotspot is an ivory matte. Caution is a soft neutral beige matte. Bang Bang is a shimmering pink with gold shift and iridescent micro sparkle. Feels is a soft dusty rose matte. Juicy is a soft warm peach. Turn On is a pale metallic rose shimmer. Ambitious is a metallic rose copper. Bing is a deep mauve matte. Devilish is a reddish plum matte. Let's try that one more time. There we go. Young Love is a metallic cranberry. Drunk Dial is a deep metallic burgundy. Privacy is a deep brownish plum matte. These shadows swatched actually legit beautifully. The only one that I'm kind of questioning is the last one, which is Privacy. I felt like it was kind of skipping when I was swatching it, but we're gonna put it on our face and we're gonna see. I think the colors all fit with the cherry theme really well. I cannot wait to play with Feels and then Bing. I cannot wait. So let's get this on our eyes so we can test out if I actually do like it. Oh my god, what kind of look am I gonna do? First, I'm gonna prime my eyes with a little Fenty Beauty shadow primer. This is the best, period. I haven't really looked up any reviews online about what this is or anything. I haven't even gone on the Sephora website to look at the reviews. All I know is Deneen said she loved it when she wore it. It looked so good on her. So you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna start with Feels. I just feel that it's only right. So we're gonna take a wee bit of that, and this is just an Inglot blending brush. This is a 6.5S. If you're at the Inglot store, get this brush. It is so good. So I think I'm gonna pop this. Oh my god, it's actually so pigmented. Okay, I was not expecting that. Jeez Louise. So I'm just popping this on the outer third of my eye and kind of blending it into my crease and then up on my brow bone. Y'all have seen this before. This ain't nothing new. I was doing some zombie makeup last weekend for a couple for Halloween, and I was doing her eye makeup, and one of her friends walked in. She's like, oh my god, the blending is so good. And I was just like, it's the nicest thing anyone could say. Okay, I have a little bit of fallout here because I picked up so much on my brush because I didn't realize it was going to be this pigmented. So that's my fault. I have no idea where I want to go with this look at all. But I do think I'm going to pick up another matte. I'm going to grab Bing. Methinks. Yeah, I'm going to be careful with it because it's so pigmented. And they're kind of powdery too. What is happening? Is this brush just destroying them? That could be it. I'm just gonna pop this here. Okay, I like that. I am going to take a smaller, this is a Morphe something or other, I don't know. I'm gonna dig into Devilish, which is like a reddish plummy matte, and I'm just going to kind of define my little area over here. I think I'm gonna grab Bang Bang because this is just like such a beautiful shade. And I'm just gonna swipe that right over my lid and just kind of blend it into what's happening over here. And I think I'm gonna deepen it a bit with that Devilish shade. Just a wee bit. And then for underneath my lash line, I am going to take Devilish again. I guess this is my favorite color. And I'm just going to swipe this right under. About, I don't know, half or so. And then I'm going to take Bang Bang and rub it right underneath there. Kind of match it up.
Hello, hi. Yeah. Yeah. But that's okay. What do you need? I can pause it. I got a cat hair in my eye. Hold on one sec. There's legit a cat hair. Things are falling apart. Where is it? Oh. Oh. Do you see it?
Okay, we had a little brief intermission, had to take a phone call. So I think I've like completed the eyes. I was curling my eyelashes when I was FaceTiming, so they're very curled right now. I am gonna add a little bit of liner. And the eyeliner that's just sitting here is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Liner. It's a nice like brush tip. I think I'm just gonna do like a thin line on top there. I need to like lean in. I feel like my eyes are like getting worse and worse, you know? Okay, let's put some liner on. Oh my god, my eyelashes are like too curled. Maybe I can do this. Oh. Alright, that's good enough. I don't even know if it's straight. So I'm gonna put on some lashes, duh. So I did get 2 eyeliners with this collection. I got one that is black and it's called Black Market, and then another one that's called Love Drug, which is like, looks like a nice plummy tone. I don't think I feel like I just want to put like a straight up pink in my waterline. I don't want to use any of these. Is that bad? Because Love Drug is like a metallic and then this is a black satin, which I mean, classics and like staples for, you know, your makeup, but I want to put a pink. So I just have a lip liner here, which we're putting in our eyes. This is the NYX Bloom. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. I wanted pink in there. I'm quickly now off camera just gonna put some mascara and then the Ardell 3D foaming lashes on. I've used them once, but I just love these, so I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, my eyes are watering. Ah! All right, and now I'm just adding a little bit of my Wet n Wild highlight, just the inner bits of my eyes, just so I can pop, just because in this palette there's only matte light shades, which I don't like. I always like there to be a matte and a shimmer for this exact reason. Now it's time for the lipsticks, which is my most favorite part. Now there are 3 in this collection. We have kind of like a nude, a pinky, and then a more deeper tone. We have one that is cream and then 2 of the metallized, whatever finish. So I think I'm gonna start with the shade Juicy, which is a nice nudish peach with like a copper shimmer in there. That is actually so pretty. I really like this. What is this called again? Juicy. I think I would actually wear this again. The like shimmer is like so faint, it just gives your lips like a nice like glossy look. Oh my god. What do y'all think? Do you like it? Damn, I really like this. Ooh, yes. All right, so this guy is Devilish, and it is a berry pink with like berry pink shimmer in it. There it is. That one is Devilish. It's just a pink with a little shimmer on it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing great with it. It's not really up my alley, but there it is. I don't know. I just feel like I look too plain. And last up, we have the shade Cherry, which is a deep berry wine. And I highlighted my Cupid's bow because I think I'm gonna like this one, and I might wear it out. There is nothing more satisfying than putting on a fresh tube of lipstick that's just like so, there's just nothing like it, you know? Oh yeah. Ooh, it just slid on so well. So this one is a cream finish, so it doesn't have any metallic in it or anything. Do I ever look like a little November, I don't know. I don't know what I was gonna say. I love this lipstick color. This one is definitely my favorite because I just feel like it's more me than any of the other ones, but I really like that nude as well. Anyway, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you approve of the Cherry? I really like this palette. The only thing is this darker shade, Privacy, I really don't find that it was as pigmented as the others, and even like on my arm, like you can kind of see it's like kind of rubbed off in comparison to the other ones. Let's just throw a little bit more of this on. Well, I haven't really put any of this on, but let's throw some of this on just on the outer bits here. Yeah, like you can see it. I just find that it's a little bit chalky in comparison to the other ones, but other than that, like all of these shades are so gorgeous. Like I really want to play in this one as well. Like, oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, sorry I didn't use the eyeliners. I'm just not interested in the eyeliners. Anyway, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little play with the new Naked Cherry palette, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, I'll give you a close-up of this eye. Don't judge my eyebrows. I need to pluck them really bad. I'm gonna go get them done. I need to turn this down. It's too bright now. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Is it cherry enough for you? Ooh la la, ooh la la. Seriously, don't judge my eyebrows. They're so bushy. Okay guys, bye.